automatically think that when we carry this thing, we are going to be protected. We got a cloak of protection, right? I know it might seem funny. Let's think about like comics and stuff, right? So we got a protection around us. But that's not the case, guys. The moment you carry a knife, your behavior becomes more risky. The moment you carry a knife, you may be a bit more daring. We become more stronger and more, just because we got this in our hand. What would you like to say?
Oh, it's because you become cocky.
You become cocky. No, it's true. You become more cocky. Not only do you become more cocky, you have more confidence. You think you're bad. That's it. That was a great answer. You think you're bad. Don't listen. We're here to just have a nice, open and honest conversation. There's no right answers, there's no wrong answers. You think you're more cocky. When you're more cocky, one second. When you're more cocky, you'll do more risky behaviors.
So you know what I don't get there, yeah? For example, like, you're just like an innocent, like guy in it, yeah?
Let him speak.